Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. We got a super easy little project today. We got the 2018 Subaru Crosstrek and it needs a new air filter. We got this car about 30,000 miles ago and we've never put an air filter in. I think the book says 20,000 miles, but hey, it's time. So we're gonna go ahead and get that knocked out today. Drinking our very favorite national beer, Texas Lone Star. Happy Sunday. It's a little gloomy today, guys. Let's get started. Okay, friends, what we've got here is this air filter goes right here. And you can do this the easy way without unhooking anything. You can kind of go like this and you can snake it out and you can get the new one in. We're going to do it the slightly more complex way. And we're going to take this hose clamp off, disconnect this boot, then we get the thing out of the way. I cheated. I looked at this before we got the camera out. And there's a big old bug inside that air box. And to get that bug out, I'm gonna have to get the cover off. So we're gonna do that. This right here, this little hose clamp, 8mm, also known as 5/16 for those of you who refuse to convert. You just have to loosen it. You don't have to take it all the way off. This is kind of flexible. It will pop right off just like that. You can get it out of the way. I don't think you gotta take the back part off because it's not in the way. And then you can kind of go like this. Now, I'm not going to disconnect this, although we could. It would be really easy. I don't think we need to. I just needed to be able to get a little bit more room on it. We're going to pull this filter out like this. And you can see it was time. This one's dirty. So this is a micro guard. I picked this up at the auto parts store. MGA 10713. That's what they told me. I don't know. I threw it down before I made sure it was the same size. Yeah, same size, guys. We're good. So before we do that, can you get in here? Can you see the bug in there? Go ahead and vacuum the whole thing out. Here we go, guys. Put down in the comments little identification for me if you can on that one. Looks like some kind of moth, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a bug guy. Okay, guys. So here we go. We put the rubber sealed side towards the pickup here, and the pleated side towards the front of the car. We're just gonna slide that thing in. You gotta kind of move this around a little bit to get it to slide, and then make sure you get a good seal on the bottom of it there. We got a good seal on, so we're just gonna bring this forward thusly. Clips are super easy. We're gonna get this out of here. We're gonna get our little rubber hose and just kind of wiggle it back on there. It's so easy, guys. Working on this Subaru is so easy. And then we'll go ahead with our 8mm / 5/16 and just tighten it up a little bit. You don't have to get crazy. Look at that. I didn't get it all the way on there the way I want. There we go. Doesn't have to be crazy. 5/16, anyone can do it. I don't know. I think they probably get you for $100 to do that at the dealership. We did it in 7 minutes and we were doing video. I had to get that bug out of there. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'd like to see you on the little subscriber list. Lots of Subaru, some Buick GMC truck, even a little Ford Bronco action. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.